Hello, I am Yashwardhan Sharma, currently pursuing BTech from NIT Rourkela Civil Engineering. I am in second year right now. Today I shall be explaining example 8.11 of the book Dr. A.M. Chandra. A new road is to be constructed with formation width of 20 meter, side slopes of 1 vertical to 2.5 horizontal. The heights of fill at the center line of three successive cross sections 50 meter apart are 3.3 meter, 4.1 meter and 4.9 meter respectively. The existing ground has a crossfall of 1 in 10. We need to calculate the volume of the fill. The method to solve the problem is based on principle of determining volume using and area in Prismidal method. Here we can see it is the case of two level section for which the area is given by the formula, where W1 and W2 can be calculated by the further formulas given. The volume of the fill is given by and areas rule, as we know, V equal to D multiplied by A1 plus A3 by 2 plus A2, and by Prismoidal rule it is D by 3 multiplied by A1 plus A3 plus 4 times A2, where A1, A2, A3 are areas of three cross sections. The given data is the formulated width to be 20 meter, the slide slope to be 2.5, the cross fold to be 10, and the distance between the two successive areas cross section areas is 50 meter. The h1, h2, h3 are given to be 3.3 meter, 4.1 meter and 4.9 meters. For section 1 we can calculate w1 as given by the formula above. It comes out to be 24.27 meters and w2 comes out to be 14.60 meters. The area a1 comes out to be 101.88 meters square. For section 2, the W1 comes out to be 26.93 meters, the W2 comes out to be 16.20 meters. The area A2 comes out to be 134.68 meters square. And for section 3, the W1 comes out to be 29.53 meters, the W2 comes out to be 17.80 meters, and area A3 comes out to be 170.89 meters square. Therefore, by using the AND areas rule, we calculate volume as D multiplied by A1 plus A3 by 2 plus A2. It comes out to be 13553 meters square, and by Prismoidal rule, it comes out to be 13525 meters square. As we can see, the value calculated by AND areas rule was coming greater than it as it was calculated by Prismoidal rule. So we need to apply a correction here. Since the AND areas rule gives the higher volume than the Prismoidal rule, the volume can be corrected by using Prismoidal correction formula, which is CPC equal to D by 6 multiplied by S multiplied by N square minus S square multiplied by H1 minus H2 whole square. The value of D by 6 multiplied by S multiplied by N square minus S square, which is constant, comes out to be 22.22. The CPC1 equals to 14.22 meters square comes out to be equal to CPC2. The total correction value comes out to be 28.44 meters square. Thus the corrected and areas volume will be the volume calculated by AND areas rule minus this correction value, which comes out to be 13525 meters square, as we saw on the previous slide. Thank you.